Take care of you. I will. And if I got been now, I will do it now. Take care of me.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all a V-part body wave unit. Now this wig is from Beauty Forever Hair. I have worked with them in the past and I have never had an issue. So I am expecting this one to be amazing as well. So I am noticing that this hair is super full. The hair felt amazing. I didn't have any complaints with the quality of this unit. Now the build of this unit was also very nice. I like the clips that they had along the V, and then there's combs on the side as well as an elastic band for more security. So of course I didn't feel like this wig would be going anywhere with my install. And for my install, I'm just going to do a basic middle part. So of course I parted my hair into a V so that the V-part unit could lay flat. So at the moment in this video, I did have in my micro links, so my hair was a little bit longer and fuller. And I was a little bit worried that this wig may be really tight, but it wasn't too tight. However, I still don't think, well, at the same time, I still don't think that if I didn't have the micro links in, that this wig would be too big. If that makes sense to you guys, I feel like the sizing of this unit is good. It's pretty good. It did have adjustable straps in the back as well, but I think this unit fits very well. But anyways, so you guys can see the texture here was amazing. Like I said, I don't have any complaints with the quality of the actual hair. In a moment, I am going to flat iron the front for you all. Now, I did use this cream. This is something new to me, so I'm still kind of seeing if I like it or not. It's just to see. It's for wigs, but it's just a like a frizz kind of tamer for wigs. So whatever to that, but for the flat iron pieces that I didn't really put too much pressure down on the unit, and my flat irons weren't up really high, and I still think that the hair straightened out pretty well, but I know it would have been better if I did add a little more pressure and I had turned the iron up. So just keep that in mind. But like I said, no complaints on the quality of this unit. Now I am going to add in some curls. For my curls, I did very basic, just kind of like barrel curls around my curling iron. I just kind of wrap the hair around. You all will see it in just a moment, but this hair took to those curls very quickly. I did not leave the hair on the flat iron. I did not leave the hair on the curling iron for too long, and the hair still took those curls very well. They also lasted, which is really important. So I would definitely say that I enjoyed this unit. I did like it. If you guys are interested, all of the details are in my description box below, so please check them out. Like I said, I have worked with Beauty Forever before and I've never had an issue, but I want to know what you guys feel about Beauty Forever. Have you all tried them out? Because I do get hair for them often, but typically it is sent to me. So I want to know your opinion as well, just so everyone watching the video can kind of see how they feel about this company as well. But I think that's pretty much all I have for you guys. I would rate this unit. I love V-part and U-part wigs, so I would definitely rate this one a 9 out of 10. I didn't have any complaints. Only thing, I would have dyed this hair jet black, so that's why I'm out of 10. But you know, it is what it is. This is still a very, very nice unit. So please let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, check out that description box. And if you guys are enjoying my content, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you are returning. But anywho, I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. And thank you guys again so much for watching.
Oh,